So one trip up with our repaired cable and it just popped again. So glad Wick has those other ones coming. I'm gonna pull this stuff out. Maybe I'll pull the other one out as well. Always something with these classic cars. So I just want to demonstrate how the cable and spring work as you're coming down with the top. Helps keep tension so we don't just slam down, for one, and it keeps it from overextending the top frame as well. So we're gonna pull these out and we get to play wait and see. So what I'm curious of on these convertible top cable and spring assemblies, don't mind the spilled salsa, we always eat lunch here. I'm wondering if there was two left sides, because you would think the spring needs to be reversed to have the same action and work properly as the other side. Just food for thought, just interesting when stuff comes in, but just a thought.